What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management alongside my partner, Cassie McClenahan. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the mistakes that owners make when managing their own properties. So, Cassie, what would you say are the top three mistakes that landlords who are doing it on their own, what would you say are the mistakes that you typically see made?
Number one, it's letting emotions guide you. So, right, if you're managing it for yourself, maybe you held an open house on Saturday and you let those nice people walk in and thought, oh, they're so nice. That's who I should pick as my tenant. And like, forget about there's an actual process to vetting a tenant.
Yeah, there's a screening strategy, is what we would say at Patriot. What would you say is the next mistake that do it yourself landlords make?
Probably when it comes to pricing, again, right, you feel that nice warm fuzzy about the people and you want to be fair and you want them to rent your property and be happy about it. So maybe you leave some money on the table. A little bit of money over time can be a big loss in the end.
I mean, you run out the math. If you're, call it $200 below market over the course of the year, that's $2,400. I mean, in many cases, it's a full month or even 2 months worth of rent. That is a lot of money on the table.
Yeah.
If there's another mistake, a third mistake, what would you say that is?
Just not knowing what you don't know, right? There are landlord tenant laws. The Arizona landlord tenant law is like 54 pages long. Nobody ever reads that, but that is what you are expected to know as an owner. And when you hire us, then the burden is off you. And now it's what we are learning and renewing our education on a monthly basis about those laws.
Yeah, so in summary, I think what you're saying is the alternative to making these mistakes would be in engaging a professional, someone that's going to screen, going to properly price, going to make sure you're compliant legally, and look out for your best interests. If you're interested in talking to us about how we can help you with your property and its management, please reach out to Patriot Property Management.